Open the door, or I'm gonna break your door.
Let go of the phone now.
No, I'm on the phone with my lawyer.
Let go.
I'm on the phone with my lawyer.
Are there any weapons in the home or anything like that?
Yeah, my husband has
locked
concealed
up.
carry. Am I under arrest or something?
At the moment, no.
On May 25, 2023, detectives executed a search warrant at a residence in Illinois, part of a multi-year investigation into a payroll fraud scheme exceeding $1,360,000. The financial administrator allegedly exploited payroll access from 2017 to 2023, using forged checks and a company security fob to funnel funds into her own account.
Okay.
It is a disaster.
At least they sound like they are okay. Moving.
I don't know, they sound big. DeKalb Police! Search warrant! DeKalb Police! Search warrant!
He's coming. Yep, he's coming. Open the door.
DeKalb Police, open the door! Open the door, I have a search warrant, open the door. Yes. Open the door, or I'm gonna break your door. Sure. Okay, man. Anyone else home?
No, it's just me and my dog.
Are your dogs locked up?
Can I please see the warrant, please?
Yep, we'll give you a copy.
What is this?
Is your husband home or your children home?
No, my children are at school.
You sure? Go and step out. Step with my partner over here. They're gonna explain everything to you. Okay? We have to search it and make sure there's no one else here. So go out.
I have to step out?
Yes.
Okay. Can I not get my purse or anything?
No. You have to go out with them.
Let go of the phone now.
No, I'm on the phone with my lawyer.
Let go.
I'm on the phone with my lawyer.
Let go of the phone.
Let's step out, please. Thank you. I'll stay with you.
It just...
I'm gonna hang out with you, okay?
Can you please explain to me what's going on?
Yep. There's a search warrant for your house. Okay. I have an officer that's gonna talk to you once we make sure that everything's safe in here. Okay? Alright? There's no one else home? There's no kids home? Anything like that?
No, but...
Is your husband home or is he
No.
working? Okay.
Can I call my lawyer at least? Like...
Yep, you can do that. Okay? But we're gonna work on that, okay?
So I have to wait until you guys give me my phone?
Yes. There's a search warrant signed by a judge that says that we will be searching your house. Okay?
Max, you got upstairs?
Yeah, I'll hold it.
I'm gonna go right.
My lawyer said I shouldn't open the door or do anything or tell you guys to contact them first. So
I
that's
understand.
not
If
true.
you didn't open the door, I would have broke it down. Okay? So you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. Okay? I've got a search warrant signed by a judge. It's not like I asked to come in. I got an order to come in by the judge.
Okay.
Okay?
Got the garage on the right. Yeah, I'll hold it.
I'm going legal. Excuse me, Bob.
Clear.
Are there any weapons in the home or anything like that?
Yeah, my husband has
They're
concealed
locked up.
carry.
Yeah, they're locked up though.
I'm pretty sure, yeah.
And he's not here.
No.
Okay.
Pantry, it's clear.
Can I at least call someone to get my kids though from school? Like, this is delaying the process if I can't call them and at least say
When
that.
do they get off school?
My kid gets out of school at 12.
Okay. We got a little bit of time for that, but I will let you make phone calls for that, okay? It's 9:30.
But if he's out on a truck run, why can't I call him and just tell him get back here now? I don't have anyone in DeKalb else to pick up my kid.
Okay. We'll let you make that call. Okay? Just not at this moment. Okay, we gotta make sure house is safe, everyone's safe, and then we'll start having conversation. Okay?
Go ahead. Yo, police, search warrant.
Clear.
There's like a door over here on the right.
Alright, I'm checking this door's behind you.
You gotta go around.
Take your time, guys. No rush.
Yeah, there's deep corner to the right. Turning.
Go back here.
You got that corner?
Yep.
Check that door.
Am I under arrest or something?
At the moment, no.
I'm not understanding why I can't call my husband just to tell him to head back this way then.
Nope, I understand you don't have a phone on you right now, though, so you can't call your husband.
I do have another phone I can use though. Or I
That's
can
also
face-
part of the search.
My tablet's part of it too?
You guys clear?
We're almost about 15 seconds. We'll be done.
Alright, clear.
We checked that, right, bud?
Alright. Yep.
All right. We're coming up.
Alright. All open up here.
Master bedroom straight. Stairs to the left.
Hey, Lickle, she says he's out on a run right now, so no one should be home.
You guys next first.
I swear no one is here but me and my dogs.
That's okay. They got it checked out. I appreciate you.
I
do.
swear.
I know.
Closet.
Closet. Good.
Clear. Clear here.
Coming. There's a lot of stuff. You guys good then?
Good.
Almost. Last room.
You guys get this one?
Yes.
Alright.
Clear.
While you guys are here, check secondaries.
Secondary. Good.
Good. We get under the bed.
Good to clear the channel?
Sorry?
Are you good for me to clear the channel?
Yes.
Okay, stand 7. We're secure. You can clear fireplace.
Why do they want my text messages?
For the offense that's listed in the warrant.
You said the offense. Can you explain that? What does that mean?
Yep. You got a lot of questions. There's another detective that's going to have those answers for you, okay?
Okay.
I'll get him for you once he's done doing what he's doing inside. How long have you lived here?
3 years now.
Okay.
Going on 4.
How many dogs do you have?
6. 2 I'm babysitting and 4 are mine.
Alright, so this is Detective Lickle. We've got a lot of questions. He's got the information for you. Okay. So,
Patient, if you would please just let's go ahead and slip down this way.
Why can't we stand? I would like to stay closer to my house if that's possible.
Well, at this point in time, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to come down to the station with me. Okay?
For what?
Huh? As right now, you're in custody. You're in custody. You're under arrest for theft as of right now. Okay?
So I'm being charged?
As of right now, yes.
Okay, so when can I call my husband
I'll let you, as soon as we get down
And my
there.
lawyer.
I know you have a lot of questions, and I want to be as accommodating as possible. Okay, so as soon as we get down there, we'll sit down, we'll have a talk, and when everything's situated, and like I said, I can answer questions for you, and I'll let you make what phone calls you need to. Okay.
So who's all under arrest? Who's all under arrest? Who are you charging?
As of right now, you're the only one here. So as of right now, you're the only one that's being charged.
Who else would be charged? My husband would be charged?
I don't at this point in time. I'm just concerned about talking to you. Okay.
You said you would answer more of my questions.
He will. We've got to do this part first. We will talk to you more at the police department. So for now, put your hands behind your back.
So when can I make my phone call? Because my kids get out at 12.
Can you step forward, please? Thank you.
Pull your sleeve up a little bit and your hair out of the way so we don't get stuck in there, okay?
Under Michigan versus Summers, officers executing a valid search warrant may detain the occupants of a residence for the duration of the search solely to protect officer safety and preserve evidence, not to conduct prolonged on-scene questioning. The suspect repeatedly invoked her right to counsel while an officer removed the phone from her hand mid-call. Courts scrutinize such moments closely in later suppression motions, even where no formal custodial interrogation had yet begun. Once she was placed under arrest for theft, her Fifth Amendment protection against self-incrimination and her right to a Miranda warning became directly applicable, and officers properly deferred all substantive questioning until later. Under Illinois law, theft exceeding $1 million is charged as a Class 10 felony, carrying 6 to 30 years with no probation available, alongside a separate Class 10 count for misappropriating financial institution property. A continuing financial crimes enterprise charge, a Class 1 felony, applied because of the sustained 6-year pattern of conduct, while 3 separate forgery counts, each a Class 3 felony, covered the falsified company checks. The search warrant's scope, including digital communications and text messages, is defined entirely by the supporting affidavit and the offense under investigation, not by officer discretion in the moment.
I know you get a lot of questions, and I want to provide the answers for you, but then I just don't want to sit here and air out laundry in front of the entire neighborhood.
I just want to know, most importantly, I would like to call my husband so he can get the kids. Is my husband under arrest? Are you guys trying to get him too?
As of right now, that's one of our first priorities is, getting a hold of the husband, make sure the kids are okay. So, we're going to try.
But are you telling me the truth, or are you just saying it? Because I don't even know what I'm being. Okay. Who's charging me?
All right. Passion, I'm being upfront honest. I've been doing this for almost 19 years.
Okay.
I'm not trying to bamboozle you or anything like that, okay?
It doesn't even say who's charging me. It doesn't even say who's charging me.
We'll DeKalb Police Department.
Yep, we'll talk about charges and whatnot when we get down there. Like I said, I'm not trying to bamboozle you. We'll try to get hold of your husband, try to make arrangements for the kids and whatnot, and get it all situated. Okay. Sorry, it's not the most comfortable, but I'll get you out of those ASAP, okay? They're boxes? Oh, they're just clearing stuff out. It says clearing stuff out of the van. It says part of the search warrant, which items were listed here. Obviously, you got your copy. It's right here. You can, when we get down to the PD, I'll let you look back over it again, okay? How long's your what? How long's your stuff gonna be gone for?
Yes.
It's part of the investigation. 100% honesty. I don't know, because if whatever's collected will be collected as evidence, and then it's got to go through, whether you take it to court, whether you take it to court, whether you're found guilty or you're found innocent, whatever, and then it says if everything works out, and you're found innocent innocent or charges are dismissed, that property will be returned to you. Okay?
But they're gonna have it until then.
As of right now, yes.
The executing officers receive a grade of B for methodical safety-first search procedure weakened by an unexplained phone seizure during an active, clearly privileged conversation with her attorney. The suspect receives a grade of C+ for lawful and composed conduct during the search itself, a grade separate entirely from the pending and unresolved $1.3 million fraud allegations against her. Lesson learned. Officers should clearly narrate the legal basis for seizing a phone in real time, especially during an active privileged call, to protect the case from later suppression challenges in court. Lesson learned. Invoking the right to counsel during a search is always proper and protected, but it does not authorize a resident to obstruct or delay a lawfully issued and properly executed search warrant. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Your suggestions genuinely help shape the future case breakdowns featured on this channel. Thank you very much for watching this legal analysis.